Greetings and welcome back to Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. Today is November 14th and it is National Pickle Day. Woo! And as you see, we have a special guest here today, my sister, Miss Donna.
Auntie Donna. Thank you.
And we just want to remind you, you know what you got to do. Go ahead and like, comment, tag, and share. And subscribe. If you have not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do it right now because the contest is still going on. If you get 3 people to subscribe after you subscribe, you have a chance for your name to go in a drawing to win a 2-night, 3-day complimentary stay at a hotel of your choice.
Excellent.
Sponsored by Rush Travels and Adventures, where we make your dreams come true and your destinations a reality, and show you how you can get paid on the business side of travel. You want to know more about that? Contact Amazing K and let's make it happen, because we could change your life for the rest of your life and beyond. All right, let's talk about Pickle Day. Woohoo! Pickle Day.
Pickle Day is here.
Pickle Day is here, and you know, pickles are cucumbers that have been through the process of pickling. And you can do just about any kind of pickles. There's lots of different pickles. There's kosher pickles, there's dill pickles, there's Gershwin pickles. There's even a pickle called, well, here's the list right here. I forgot. It's a lot of pickles. Just look at that right there. Now listen, Auntie Donna is here because she has perfected a pickle recipe. You can make anything pickles because it's pickling. It's about the whole pickling. So she's going to explain her process to us, so maybe you can do it too.
I didn't know how to explain the process. Let me see if I remember it.
Well, show us the pickles that you have
here
made.
Karen, my dear lovely sister, bought a whole case of cucumbers. I'm like, what are we going to do with these? They do not freeze too good.
Nah.
So I said, well, let me go back to my roots. Our great-grandmother was a pickler queen. And so,
who?
Mama
Nay?
Yeah.
I never knew that.
Yes, we used to have stuff downstairs in the basement cellar.
Now, I knew that, but I didn't know how they got there. I just ate them.
They were good. And she used to make the best chai. So here we go. It's very simple. I have mason jars because that's what I like to put anything I'm doing in the mason jar. But you don't have to have a mason jar as long as it's a glass jar. And the basic, I changed the recipe, but the basic is water, not purified water, not water out your sink. Okay, and vinegar. You can use white vinegar or apple cider. I used both. Pickle seasoning, which is really these little black things you see floating around. If you can see them, can you see them? No, you can't.
I see one over here floating around.
You might, yeah. Yeah. If you see it,
Yep,
yeah.
There they
All
are.
right. They're not bugs. They're pickling seasoning. Anyway, and I put peppers in mine too. That's the red that you see.
Ah.
I put red peppers for color and accent because I gave away most of them because we couldn't eat a whole case of pickles. So that's it basically. I got it off of Google recipe. You can do that, and then you can adjust it to your taste. These are I put a little sugar in it because I didn't want it to be completely sour. And I didn't use white sugar. I did use brown sugar.
Brown sugar.
Okay, and you can experiment and figure out how you want it done. And I suggest you start pickling anything and everything you can.
Okay, so there you have it, folks. Pickling pickles or vegetables or carrots. Now, what are these?
Same thing.
Same thing, smaller jar. Okay, cool beats. Well, as we do on a Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K, we always have to try things because you know I am a foodie. So let's see what these homemade pickling pickles are like.
Test results. Test results.
Okay, I'm gonna get one. There's a lot in here. Oh, I'm gonna get this little one right here. Is that a pickle?
Yes, it is. Everything in there is pickled.
Well, is that pepper? I don't want to get a pepper.
No, the peppers are red.
Okay, well, I'm gonna get a pickle. All right, here we go. Oh my! Now, oh,
What's
it's
that?
like, okay. I usually have water nearby when I taste stuff, but okay, they are really pickling. I'm like, what? Like, I taste the pepper. I taste the peppercorns. I taste all of that, and I know it's really spicy.
It's too spicy for you?
Well, you know, you can't really go by me for spicy.
That's right, because she is not.
Mm,
She cannot take heat.
no,
But it's not heat, it's just
it's not heat. It's spicy heat.
Next time, just cut it up like I do.
It was delicious, but that was a small piece. But I just gulped it down. So.
I cover.
Now
cut
I would
mine
see
up.
that, you know, we love cabbage, and I think we're the only people in our family that put relish on our cabbage. But I could see cutting up those pickles and putting that on a cabbage too.
Okay.
Everybody I know, do you talk to people about putting relish on a cabbage? They always look at me like, what? I'm like,
Yeah.
we've been doing
Every
that since
family
we were
has their
kids.
own tradition.
That's our tradition. That's a Smith McKinney. Did it go back to our ancestors?
I think so.
You know what? At the next family reunion, we're going to ask them who puts cabbage on their pickles.
You're gonna take a survey.
I mean, relish on their cabbage. Okay. What do you do? Do you put relish on your cabbage? You put cha-cha on your cabbage? What do you do? Or you just eat it just like it is? So put it in the comments because inquiring minds wants to know. And we want to know about your favorite pickle too. Because there's lots of different kinds. What's your favorite pickle? Okay, that's all we have. Thank you. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe, and comment. We want to hear your comments because we want to know what you think about Celebrate Every Day with Amazing Day. So be bold, be blessed, be you. When I say you, I mean your original uniqueness, because you're all unique and you all have something to bring to the table. Don't you ever forget it, and don't let anybody tell you anything different. Bye-bye from Celebrate Every Day with Amazing K. Bye.